Good morning, children. How are you? I hope everybody will be fine. Okay, na? See the first. I met Potama madam already. You know everybody. Myself, and I am going to teach mental maths. First exercise. So mental in that subject mental is there. That's why everybody should listen carefully. See the first problem. 1075 plus 125. The written is sum, total sum in hundreds. They are asking to write in hundreds. So 1075, 125. So if do addition, 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 8, 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, na? 1 plus 1, 2, and here 1. How many hundreds here? 12 hundreds. How to read these 12 hundreds? See the second one. 96 divided by dash is equal to 8. So you have to divide this 96 with 8, Nana. Okay, 8 1s are 8. Okay, and in that 9 you should subtract 8. It will, the remaining value is 1. It carry to this side. It is 16. Okay, now 8 2s are 16. So it is 12. Okay, see that third problem. 60 into dash is equal to 3000. See, first you have to observe, you will have to equate the zeros. Here 1 0 and here 3 zeros. So remaining how many zeros you want to keep here? 2 zeros and no. See, first you have to divide this 3000 into 60. So I am not doing any experiment on you. So 0 0 will cancel, 6 5s and 6 zeros. So the answer is 50. Already you know the long divisions you did in third class. Nana. Once everybody you have to recall the divisions. And you have to practice, ask your parents to give so many problems, so many numbers you have to change and you have to practice it. See the fourth problem. John had 12 glasses. John had 12 glasses. 12 glasses. See, already you are habituated to do the mental maths, I think. So each problem is entirely different with the before problem. So no two problems are coinciding in each exercise. The 10 problems are there and 10 problems are entirely different. Okay, now 5 glasses broke. 5 glasses broke. Okay, now 5 glasses broke. And what fraction of the glasses? What fraction of the glasses? What fraction of the glasses did not break? Did not break. Here one boy is there. That boy is John. John had 12 glasses. Okay, now in that 12 glasses 5 glasses broken. Okay, now they are diminished. How many are diminished here? 5. What fraction of the glasses did not break? Okay, na? How many here? 5 glasses are broken. So the remaining how many glasses are there? What you have to do here? 12 minus 5, that is 7. First of all, you have to write the steps. Number of glasses John had. Number of glasses John had. Okay, na? That is equal to 12. Number of glasses broken. Number of glasses broken. Okay, now that is equal to 5. Number of glasses did not break. Number of glasses did not break. Okay, now did not break. What you have to do here? Subtraction. 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. Here they are asking to write the fraction of the glasses. Fraction of the glasses. Fraction of the glasses did not break. Glasses did not break. Did not break. Okay, now that is equal to. How many did not break here? 7. How many glasses are there? 12. That is the fraction to write the fraction of gases did not break. Okay, then see the fifth problem. See the fifth problem. Fifth one. 1/2 of rupees 64. So is equal to 16 into they are asking it. First of all, you have to find 1/2 of rupees 64 is how much you have to find? 1/2 into rupees 64. Okay, now half means multiplication. That's why I changed it as sign. Multiplication you have to divide with the 2 na 6 2 3s are 6 2 2s are. So how many rupees? Half of 64 na half 32 na. So 32. They are asking to write it is a multiple of 16 I think. 16 into rupees 2. Already you know 16 table. 16 2s are 30. So you have to keep rupees compulsory. Otherwise it is wrong. Okay, now see the sixth problem. Arrange the fractions in descending order. They are asking to write in descending order. Already you know the descending order definition. It writes from big to small. See, arrange the fractions. Arrange the fractions. 7/13, 3/13, 9/13, 2/13, 5/13 a descending order. In descending order. Okay, now in descending order. Okay, already you know the descending here. Observe all the fractions having the same denominator. That means those are set of like fractions. So in like fractions, whatever the numerator is greater, the total fraction is greater. See, observe here the numerator 7, 3, 9, 2, 5. Among these numerators, which is greater value 9. So descending order is equal to descending order. Okay, na 9/13 is the biggest one. Next biggest 7/13. Next one 5/13. Next one 3/13. Next one 2/13. That is the descending order. See the seventh one. The factors of 48 are. So 48 are dash and dash. So factors means the divisors of 48. Divisors means it completely divides this number. So the 48 factors are 600. You know this table, that's why I said 600. So many factors are getting for 48. 2 24s, 12 4s. Okay, now. So 3 16s like that. So you know 8 and 6 table, that's why I wrote here 600. See the 8th problem. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. To represent the shaded part. To represent the shaded part. To represent the shaded part. Shaded part. See here they given one box. In that box some boxes are there. See here they shaded some boxes. See, total number of boxes are 14. How many are shaded here? 5. So 5/14. You write that as fraction 5/14. Okay, now see the next problem. 1 liter 48 ml. 1 liter 48 ml is equal to dash ml. Already you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, na? Here they are asking 1 liter 48 ml. So that is 1 liter is 1000 ml and remaining 48 ml is there. Here 1048 ml is there. 1048 ml is there. And see the last problem in this section, in this exercise, 10th problem. Manoj weighs 9 kg more than Prakash, who weighs 65 kg. What is Manoj's weight? What is Manoj's weight? Okay, now what is Manoj's weight? Here first you have to read the problem what they given here. Here Manoj weighs 9 kg more than Prakash, who weighs 60. What is meant by weight? His weight, body weight is 60. Prakash weight is 65, but Manoj is 9 kg more than Prakash. Here they are asking, the question is what is Manoj's weight? So write on the step weight of Prakash. Weight of Prakash. Weight of Prakash is 65 kg. Okay, na? So Manoj's weight. Weight of Manoj. How many kgs he is more than Prakash? 9 kgs. So you have to add 9 to the Prakash case. Prakash weight. So adding 74 kgs. So today's class completed. So I will send notes, Nana. You have to write notes in CW, and I am going to send the homework also. You have to do in HW. So books are available in the school campus. Everybody will buy the books, and you have to follow whatever madams are teaching. Whatever madam said, you have to follow. Okay. Bye, Nana. All the best.